It's Samosa Sunday. We're going to be making samosas. We've got our pads ready and we've got our potatoes. I hope you enjoy it. The first thing we need to do is peel some potatoes. So once we've peeled our potatoes, we're going to be putting them into some boiling hot water and making them parboiled. These are child-friendly samosas, so they're not going to be spicy, so I'm not going to be adding the chili powder into them. What we are going to be adding is, for the 5 potatoes that we have put into boil, we're going to be adding 2 spoons of salt, turmeric, half a spoon of turmeric. I'm going to be adding some black pepper, so I would say 1 tablespoon of black pepper. I'm going to be adding some zira, which is cumin seeds, but because obviously they can be a little bit spicy, I'm not going to go crazy with them, so just one spoon of those. And that is the basic mix that we're going to be adding to our boiled potatoes once they're ready. So I have 6 small onions, which I am going to be peeling and chopping very thinly to add to the mixture for the potatoes and the spices. Now you don't have to have red onions. If you don't have them, you can have white onions too. It really doesn't make that much of a difference. So we're just going to drain the water. So the next step, once you've got your potatoes and you've mashed them, they've been boiled, is to add a drizzle. So I would say 1 tablespoon of olive oil, or any other oil if you've got it, but olive oil I think is better. We're then going to get our chopped onions and add them to our potato mixture, like so. So the spices that we were talking about earlier, that we just put into this little bowl, we're now going to add them as well. And then what we're then going to do is just mix it all together. We do not want the potatoes to be mashed into a smooth potato mash. We want to keep it a little bit firm. Our next step is to make a glue. A glue to fold our samosas into and they stick so they don't fall apart. So the first step to do that is to add a little bit of plain flour, not chapati flour, plain flour. What we want to make is a floury glue that has the consistency of ketchup. So when we have finished adding our water, it's that kind of a consistency, and then we're then going to use it to add on as glue. So you're going to need one of these. If you haven't got one of these, then use an extremely clean paintbrush that you have washed. So what we're going to end up with is a triangle shaped samosa. And let's go through the steps of making it. We are going to be using 1 spoon of our potato mixture. Don't forget, the shape that you want to achieve is a triangle, and make sure the corners are not open in any way whatsoever. So we fold it over once, we add the paste, the glue, so there is a very tight sequence there, right there. It's looking like a triangle samosa, see? Then every time we fold it, we add a little bit more of our paste, of our glue, right? And we keep on folding it as tightly as possible in those corners so that it doesn't split open. And we keep on folding it. That one is not so tight. There we go, that's better, it's tighter. Keep on folding it until we have our perfect triangle samosa shape. It doesn't matter if you're overlapping, it's really fine because it's all going to cook off. So we have a lovely triangle samosas right there. Once you've fried them and they're golden brown, just kind of put them on a kitchen roll paper so that you take off the excess heat. Stand them up if you can, so that takes out all the excess oil as well. So, I love to eat my samosas with a little bit of green mint chutney and some date or tamarind chutney as well. And that's it. We crunch into it.